Hello, I'm Lakisha. I'm a member of the Guiding Light Church. And just a quick testimony, I am a nurse and I have been for 11 years. I graduated in 2007 and it was very stressful to say the least, finishing nursing school and studying to take the NCLEX, which is the board of nursing test that you have to take before you become a registered nurse. And I went through a bout of depression. My mom called me every day, giving me word, and I was so deep in depression that I didn't want to talk to my mom. I didn't want to hear her words of encouragement, but I did always go to the Bible, and I read the Bible, and I was just reminded that when you hit rock bottom, the only way that you can look is up. So I looked to God and I read His Word. And after watching the movie War Room here recently, I guess a couple years ago now, they were talking about putting your prayer requests on the wall. And I actually put God's Word on the wall to remind me that I have the mind of Christ. I don't know if you can see some of these. That without faith, it's impossible to please God. God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are called according to His purpose. For who have known the mind of the Lord that He may instruct him, but we have the mind of Christ. Speaking God's word out loud was affirmation to me, but it also spoke to my situation and to every devil in hell that has ears and knows God's word, that I stood on God's word. It strengthened my faith and it helped me through. Like I said, now I've been a nurse for 11 years and God has brought me out of that and a lot of other situations that I could tell you about later. Another one just came to mind was me being not foreclosed on, but a threat and a foreclosure on my house. And that took me back to God's word, because sometimes I get out of the habit of reading God's word every day, but something about trials that'll always bring you back to God's word. When you hit rock bottom, you can only look up. So hope that's encouraging to somebody. I have God's word on my wall. When I don't open my Bible every day, I can look on my wall and see God's words with the Bible verses. All right, thanks. Take care. God bless.